anyone who is watching before June 27th, make sure to listen up because this video is very important. We're going to be talking about Ethereum's price movement, Bitcoin's price movement, as well as XRP and Shiba Inu. So you guys don't want to miss that. Also, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin's dominance going down, what this means for altcoins. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it, so watch the whole video. With that said, this is DC Trading. We're going to be doing a technical analysis today on these altcoins as well as Bitcoin. Also, I'm going to tell you the price levels or price predictions of each coin for the end of this week, which we have about less than a day. So, with that said, make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications, and absolutely smash the like button. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, guys. So, yesterday I did make a video about Ethereum's possibility of going above 1500, or not above, up to 1500. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out right now. Make sure to pause because it's very, very important. So, we're going to be talking about Ethereum's price prediction for the end of this week, as well as the possibilities or scenarios of what can happen. So, guys, what's likely going to happen this week for Ethereum's price prediction? Well, guys, I do believe there's a high chance that it is going to be between 1,241 to 1,172. It's going to stay in this range. I would say there's a 70% chance of this happening. As you guys can see, we're looking at the 30-minute chart. We are in the oversold right now, as well as the bottom Bollinger Band. That is why you see it's making its way back up. We're going to see what happens. Does it break through this key resistance? That's what we have to watch out for today. Yes, guys, we have to watch out because I'm telling you guys, if it breaks through this key resistance line of 1,241, we are going to see Ethereum possibly go as high as the next, key resistance, which is 1,400 to 1,500. That is why I say, you guys, we have to look out for this price target. First off, before we even think about that, it has to break through. As you guys can see earlier yesterday, it did try to, test the key resistance. It failed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This is a key resistance because if you see it touches it all the time, it goes back down. So that's what we have to watch out for. I also have something very important to show you guys. We're looking at Bitcoin's dominance right now. As you guys can see, it is low. It is 43%. We're probably never going to see Bitcoin above 50% ever again. Why? Because we're not expecting Bitcoin to 100x. As a result, people are not going to put all their money into Bitcoin. They're going to put all their money into altcoins because it gives the regular person like us a chance to become a millionaire, a chance to 100x our investment. Bitcoin's not going to do that. As you can see, even when we are in talks of a recession, people tend to, leave their altcoins and turn to Bitcoin, but this time it looks like they're not. As you guys can see clearly, very, very important. Keep an eye out for that. So now we're going to go Bitcoin. As you guys can see right now, we're in the oversold as well as the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So we're going to have to make our way up. It is testing this 2,130 or 21,376 line, which it seems that it can't break through and stay above it. As you guys can see, it did for a little bit, but eventually went back down. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. Does it break through? It's highly not likely because, as I said, Bitcoin's dominance is down, and as well as the economic state of the US is not doing well. Moving on to Shiba. Shiba, as well, is in the overbought right now, touching the bottom Bollinger Band. We did have to, reset. Each coin is experiencing a pullback, so we're going to see it test again. As you guys can see, it is very high right now still, because I did predict it would be around the 1183 area. It could possibly stay around that area by the end of this week. As you guys can see, it is making higher lows and higher highs. As you guys can see, very clear. That's a sign of a bullish pattern. Keep an eye out for that. Now, moving on to XRP. We see as well, we see a pullback yesterday, but it made its way back up. But it didn't go as high as this previously, which was around 38 cents. Very interesting to see what happens. Do we see this happening? Let's see. I'm going to draw it out. Do we see XRP forming this chart pattern? We're going to go to 40 cents, guys, around this area. We have to be on the lookout. It has to pass this line of 37,333. That's the key thing, guys. It has to pass that. If it doesn't, then we're not going to see it do this. But, guys, that's just an update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, dominance, everything, guys. So make sure to subscribe, turn post notification, and share with your family and friends. See you guys in the next video.